Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so we will be checking out what we have right here in this video right now. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, we are expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. This had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It has gotten to this resistance, so it decided to sell for a while. It sold till it got to this support zone. It wasn't able to break out from there, so it's having a pullback. Okay, so right here at the top right here, we are having another resistance zone from there. Okay, right there. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then it will be going up to this level, but if it does not, then we are most likely for us to have another sell right from there till it get to this support zone. And this time around, if it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell for a very long time. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for long, okay, in case it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. As you can see, it has been buying right from this support zone, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment, okay, until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. It was an uptrend before. It got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, but right now it is selling at the moment. Okay, so it is selling at the moment. If it breaks out from where it is at the moment, we expect it to get to this spot right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. This had been more of an uptrend right from this support zone than a downtrend. Okay, so we can see it picked up from here and it kept on buying, broke out from this resistance zone, and of course it has got into this spot. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time. In case it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so it's still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.